Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's that time of the day of the month again when it's time to share with you guys the top widgets for the month of August for the iPhone. So let's get started. So the first widget we have here is called Timery. So Timery, many of you guys know, is an awesome time tracking app, and the widgets are just really amazing. So first off, of course, you have a few different style of widgets that you could use from the Timery app. So first off, of course, you have the default widget that you could just, it shows you what you want to time every time you want to time something on Timery. So if you have a certain subject, so like for example here, the day job here, you just click it and then you can start already time tracking your day job work hours. Or if you want, you could just have a widget where it shows a blank thing and it just opens up the app automatically, and you can choose a timer section that you want to time for whatever work you're doing. And then of course we have the medium size widget here that allows you to pretty much have all the things that you already have saved from your timers, so that you could just quickly just tap on any single one of them, so you could quickly just start timing your work hours as well from there. So yeah, it's just really useful, this widget, if you're into time tracking and you just need to quickly access your time tracking and also be able to watch your time tracking as well from the widget on your home screen. Next, we have Just Press Record. So Just Press Record is an app, of course, that allows you to record anything you want. And what I like about the widget is, first off, the small size widget, of course, quickly allows you to start recording right from when you open the app automatically without having you to worry about anything. And then what I like about the large widget is not only do you quickly get to access the app and quickly start recording as well, just like the small widget, but you can also see your past recordings as well. And sometimes if it's long enough, or if it's able to, it will transcribe it as well, so you could quickly see what you were talking about in that recording if you need to remember and go back to that recording for whatever work you're doing. So yeah, it's just a really great app to have if you are recording a lot. I use this app a lot to record videos as well. So yes, it is a very useful app to have in your iPhone, and the widget just makes it even much more useful as well. Next, we have Breathable. So Breathable is just a fantastic widget that allows you to see the air quality outside. So depending on whatever area you are currently in the world, you could quickly just see the air quality. So right now today here in Ottawa, Canada, it is very nice. It's 23, it's good, it's great. And what I like about this widget is it's customizable as well. So there's only two sizes. There's the small version and then there's the medium version. And then of course, you get to either choose the emoji section of it. So if you go here, you could quickly preview a lot of stuff within the widget. So you could quickly see how it will look like as well when it's like not good air quality outside, the different styles and designs. But also you get to choose if you want the emoji scale or not. And then of course you get to quickly just choose what type of data you want to see as well right within the widget as well. So yeah, it's just a fun little thing, and I like using the widget one just because widgets are amazing. Emojis, oh my jeez, emojis are amazing. So you quickly just see the emojis and everything, and then it still shows you the number of the air quality and of course if it's good or not as well. Next, we have Solstice. So if you're into outdoor photography and you want to get the sunrise and sunset hours, then this widget is for you, because it shows you not only the daylight time for the next day as well, but it also shows you what time the sun rises, sun sets as well. It even has a special widget just for the sunset area. So I have here 7 hours until sunset to go out today and go get some amazing pictures with the camera and everything. And then there's still a small version of the widget of the medium size. So yeah, it's just a really fantastic app to have if you're into the sunset area. And not least but not last, we have phone usage. So phone usage is such a great widget to have if you want to see a lot more data information about your phone. So you get to see, of course, the battery life of your phone, the memory as well right here, and then the monitor section, which is one of my favorite parts of this widget, is you can see the battery, the CPU, the memory, the time, of course, the network you're currently using, and then of course the Wi-Fi as well from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the top widgets for this month of August. I hope you find some of these very useful for your setup on the iPhone. And that's pretty much it now. And if you guys enjoyed this video, it will mean the world to me if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.